Okay, it's been about an hour. 2001 Dakota Quad Cab 4x4 AWD. That, and we got the who cares and dash, right? And we haven't, oh, we just set the alarm off. Okay, so it's been a few minutes since I put it all back together. Let me undo that and set it on here, and let's see, well, I'll just, well, maybe I had a little stuff in there, who knows. But there it is. It started up slow, went there, and the engine's still hot, so I have to try this again when it's cold, but you can't see there. It's still, well, whatever. So, let me just shut it off and try it again. So there it is, all running. Okay. And then if we turn the air conditioner on, wait, that's good so you can see the speedometer or the tachometer. So it dropped up or it came down a bit. I don't know. Turn it off. Turn it back on again. It went down a little bit. Turn it off. There's the throttle. Yeah, I guess it's going to idle up there. Alright. At least it's idling. Before it would just start, run, and die. So if I turn that on, I can come up over here. And that's running, alright? Turn the AC off and see what it sounds like. Not that it'd make a whole lot of difference, but okay, turn the AC off, right? Now it's off. The RPM are, well, still a bit high than normal. Normally it'd be around 700 or 600 for idling, but this thing hadn't been cleaned. Like I cleaned it just now with this up for quite some time. So stock engine, it's that one there, okay? And I don't know what else to say, but hope this works for the next however long. Okay, so I think I put it back in the trunk. Let's see here. What did we clean it with? We cleaned it with this stuff here. We still have about a quarter of a can left. And what did we clean? Let's see if we can see those parts. I cleaned that black thing right there. I didn't even remove the throttle positioning sensor. I only cleaned that thing, and I showed how to remove this big plastic thing. It takes a 10mm screw right there. Remove that 10mm screw, and hard to get to because you got to take the air box off or take the top off. Take this out, and then down here there's another. Can't see it, but it's there. 10mm screw, and then you take this off. You take that off, and then this thing comes off. There's no video out there, so I figured I'd make a video. So that's how I did it. So this is my third and last video today about this truck. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.